YouTube monetization process during quarantine. Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with the YouTube monetization process during quarantine. Yes. Finally, I am so happy. I was monetized finally, and now that I was monetized, I am going to continue making lots of content for you guys that have been supporting me. And for most of you who have watched my video, help me get monetized, that's going to be linked here. Please click that video. It will give you some tips and tricks on how to get monetized if you have a small channel. Yeah. And reasons why I wanted to get monetized. Yeah. For the longest time I've been on YouTube, and I've been watching other creators talking about how to make money on YouTube, watching other videos, watching other people making money, making content, telling me stuff, saying they get free stuff and that kind of thing. And I have never got that kind of thing. But it's not that my channel didn't make money. My channel was making money, but not directly through AdSense. It was making money through clients in-house, trying to talk about products I was designing, and also the services I offer, and those videos were giving enough information to my clients. So I was getting an incentive for the videos I was getting, but of course I wasn't getting a lot of watch time through those videos because my clients are not always, watching the videos. Yeah, so then I started creating more searchable content. When I started creating more searchable content, I then started to see some changes. But let's get back to how to get monetized in this quarantine time. So most of you have been saying on YouTube that it takes over a month for your channel to be reviewed. But there are some steps you can take beforehand to get your channel reviewed very fast. So like what I did is I created an AdSense account beforehand. I think I created it 2 years ago, even though I wasn't monetized. And the other thing I did, applied for the partnership program and I signed the agreement. So those things were there. So when I hit the 4,000 watch hours a month, when I checked my dashboard, when I clicked on the monetization sign, I got to see that my channel was under review. But of course I hadn't received any emails from YouTube, but I just saw it in the dashboard that it was under review. And then on Monday evening at 10 o'clock, I got an email at around 10 saying, yeah, your channel has hit for 400 watch hours, and if you sign, could you please sign the agreement and the AdSense account, create an AdSense account and all the things. But if you've done all these things, you don't have to do anything. So I was like, yes, I have all the things. So I sat tight. I'm like, now, I was like, no, I don't know. Maybe it's going to take a month, because most of you have been saying it takes a month or it takes 1 week. But now the quarantine, I was thinking it's going to take 2 months or even 6 months, because, you don't want to put other people in risk because you want your small channel to get monetized. So I was waiting patiently and I was thinking, it may take long. But later on, around 2 hours later, it was almost midnight, and then an email came in like, YouTube. I was like, you have been finally approved, which I was like, oh my god, I was so happy. But I couldn't take out the champagne. It was almost midnight. I was alone. I couldn't celebrate alone. I was like, yes, I want to celebrate alone, but at the same time I was like, ooh, tomorrow I'll call up some people and pop that champagne. But I haven't yet done this. First thing I've done is made you a video on telling you how excited I am. And I know it's a small achievement. It's a very small achievement, but for me it's big. You may think it's so small, but to me it's big. Getting monetized is something I've been dreaming of for a very long time. And I started my channel in 2010. And I was just sharing vacation videos with my friends and acquaintances when we went on vacation. We just made some pictures and made some videos, and we were sharing them unlisted. And then in 2015, I started my business of designing scarves. And then that's when I started making content about the scarves. Actually, the first content I made, I didn't make it myself. I had a company that made a video that had copyright problems, like it used a song, some big artists, and they thought it was okay. It's like they didn't know about copyright stuff, so I couldn't even use that video on YouTube. And so it was useless. So what I decided to do after spending all that money, I also did photo shoots of models to present my product, which were also done really poorly because the photos were not edited. So I decided to buy myself a camera to make my own content. So when I did that, I started doing stuff, and then later on I started making this YouTube searchable content for other topics to also try to get my channel get monetized and also grow my audience on YouTube, you know, other than just the audience of the small clients I was actually servicing. So that's my story on why and how I started, but I'll take you through an in-depth video why and how I started my YouTube channel, and the video will be linked somewhere here. But for most of you who missed my video on help me get monetized, click over here, you'll see it, and then help me earn more money on YouTube by watching that video and watching this video, and subscribe to this channel to keep me in the game and keep me in the threshold of earning those watch hours every year. So that, please support me, like this video, comment, because it helps me grow my channel. Do it, please. And if you're new here, my name is ACIERO. I'm based in the Netherlands, so I'm happy to see you. But if you have a small channel, keep growing and keep working on it hard, and you will get there. Monetization takes some time, but we'll get there. But I admire some people who have grown on YouTube, and I always look up to them and I say, it is hard work. I've made over 150 videos publicly. I've made, I think, 200 videos even before I even got my watch time, and also before getting monetized. So it's not easy, and that's like uploading consistently for the last 2 years, at least every week. Yeah, so for most of you who think it's easy, it's not easy. Monetization process, like I took you through, first your channel gets the hours, you get that thing, your channel is in review. I'll show it here. And then later on you get an email saying like, yeah, your channel has hit those watch hours, and then also the emails here, and also you get the final approval by email, which I'm going to show you here. And then you can log into your channel and set up those ads. But I was worried because we are in quarantine, so I was worried that maybe it may take too long. But good news for those people who have been scared they can't make money and their businesses are going to go broke. Even in quarantine, you can make money on YouTube. You don't have to go anywhere. So, best business in the world online. Okay, I hope you enjoy watching these videos, and I hope you enjoy watching me, and there will be more videos to come soon. And leave it in the comments below whatever questions you have, and like this video, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support. If you're new, consider subscribing, and see you tomorrow, and keep watching more videos on this channel. 1, 2, 3, go!